In today's video, I'm going to teach you rotate coordinate system in AutoCAD. If you've ever needed your drawing axes to line up with an angled wall, a sloped edge, or any non-orthogonal geometry, this quick method will make your workflow much cleaner and your drafting more accurate. Start by typing UCS into the command line and press Enter. UCS stands for User Coordinate System. This tells AutoCAD that you want to define a custom orientation for the X and Y axes. You'll immediately see prompts asking for points, and your cursor will be ready to pick them. Next, use your mouse to choose where to place the UCS. Click directly on the point that you want to become the new origin. Think of this as the anchor of your coordinate system. For best accuracy, pick a snap point on your geometry, like an endpoint or intersection. If you like, you can enable object snaps to make this selection precise, but the main idea is simple. Click the spot that should be 0 points or so in your new setup. Now use your mouse again to set the direction or rotation of the x-axis, and click. This second pick defines the angle of your axis relative to your drawing. For example, if you want your x-axis to run along the edge of a slanted beam, click a second point along that beam. AutoCAD will rotate the x-axis to match that direction. You'll see the UCS icon update, and your crosshairs will likely rotate as well, confirming that your new x direction is in place. Lastly, select which side the y direction will be perpendicular to the x-axis, and click. This third pick doesn't need to be exact. It simply tells AutoCAD which side you want to be positive y. Because y is perpendicular to x, you're choosing the orientation, not the angle. Click on the side that feels intuitive for your layout or matches the direction you plan to draw. And there you go. Your UCS is now rotated and aligned to your chosen geometry. Lines, dimensions, and arrays will follow this orientation, making it easy to draft parallel or perpendicular to that element. If your grid or cursor looks different, that's expected. Everything is now aligned to your custom axes. Use this setup to draw, measure, and place objects more naturally along the angle you picked. When you're finished with your task, keep working in this UCS for as long as it helps your design stay clean and accurate. That's all.